You are watching the Elevation Mentor Show, and today I have a very special guest, Kiosha. Thank you for being on the show.
Thank you for having me, Shakira.
Okay, I'd like to start out by having you tell us who you are and what do you do?
So again, I am Kiosha Forston. I am a servant, and I live by the motto: I aspire to inspire before I expire. So, as a servant, I believe my purpose here is to inspire others to be their best selves. And so, if anyone interacts with me, my goal when you walk away from me is to either feel lifted, laughed, or felt some love. And so that is who I am and who I aspire to be in all things. Additionally, I am a believer. I am a wife, mom. I'm a bonus mom. I am a HBCU graduate, historically Black College University graduate. I'm a two-time graduate of Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University. And so I have a bachelor's in health information management as well as a master's in applied social science. And so when I answer what do I do, I'm a health information professional by day, and I'm an entrepreneur by night. So I consider myself to be an entrepreneur in that I work for someone else, and then I'm an entrepreneur in that I work for myself as well. And so I have multiple businesses. I have two businesses with my husband. We're business partners with our passion project of Noah's Ark Housing. Noah's Ark Housing is an affordable housing program where we take homeless from hopeful individuals. And then we have our business navigation and solutions, digital marketing and virtual assistance company. My husband provides business coaching with that service as well. And then I have my project, my passion project, which is the Drop 50 Club. The Drop 50 Club is a life changing weight loss program. It is a weight loss program that is based on my personal journey and my research. I am a first time client in it. I've had struggles with my weight my entire life. But I started this business now and it has completely changed my life. So that's who I am and what I do.
Okay, Kiosha, that sounds good. You said a mouthful.
I know, I know. I was trying to stop. I'm
No, no,
sorry.
you were good. And I heard that you are here to inspire before you expire, amongst a whole lot of other stuff I heard.
Yeah.
Um, Kiosha, can you talk about your background a little bit?
Yeah, so my background is in health information management. Health information management is the business side of medicine. And so I am involved in medical coding as well, medical coding and billing. I've been in this field for 20 years. I cannot believe that. It's actually probably close to 25 years if I really sit down and calculate the time. But my background, I'm born in Newport News, Virginia, raised in St. Petersburg, Florida. Then traveled up here to Tallahassee, Florida, where I currently reside with my family, to attend Florida A&M University. Again, received a degree there, and I've been in health information management since then.
Okay, sounds good. So Kiosha, tell us about your business.
So my business is a weight loss program. It is a weight loss program that is focused on developing a sustainable lifestyle with no pills, potions, or procedures. I have personally struggled with my weight my entire life. And so I've gained and lost hundreds of pounds, but typically it was always around, some type of event or some type of, I want to lose by 30 by 30 or something like that. And so I would engage in habits that weren't really sustainable, right? For my life. And so this business, the Drop 50 Club, is now about creating and maintaining a sustainable weight loss program, right? We want to have healthy habits and a physical activity that is sustainable for our life. And that is what the Drop 50 Club is about. It's about making a plan where we can be persistent about being consistent as it relates to our physical health and maintaining our weight loss.
Okay. Uh, Very important. And so why did you choose the weight loss business?
I feel like the weight loss business chose me.
Okay.
I really believe that, and it was actually through this journey of the weight loss. Now, the name of the company is the Drop 50 Club, but I've actually lost about 73 pounds as of right now. And I coined it the Drop 50 Club because it really was at that 50-pound weight loss goal that I initially had. When I lost the 50 pounds, I said, you know what? I have to do this for the rest of my life. I
Mhm.
have to be able to have a plan for my life that is sustainable for the rest of my life. If I'm going to live well and be well, right? Because at the end of the day, and you know this as well, Shakira, health is wealth,
Right.
right? We all want to aspire wealth. We want to prosper. We want to thrive. We want to bless everyone else. But we cannot do that if we are not well, right? And it was actually through this journey where I realized that my this is my purpose. This is what I'm here to do, is to inspire other people to meet their weight loss goals so that they can serve to meet their purpose. A lot of times we miss our purpose because we make bad choices around what we eat and our physical activity. And then we talk about we wanting to get the bag and not realizing that we're sacrificing our health in that journey to get the bag. And by the time we get the bag, it's full of all these medications for, you know, all these different illnesses that really could have been prevented through our diet and exercise.
Mhm.
So that's why I really say that this found me, because when I started finally pursuing my health, that's when everything else around me got better. Shakira, my faith got stronger, my family relationships were stronger, and my finances are better. And so, as I pursue my fitness and my wellness as it relates to my health and my weight, everything else around me got better. And so I just want to share that and be an inspiration and motivate others to achieve that as well. And so that's why I say this business found me. I didn't really find it because I've never ever thought that I would be doing what I'm doing here today with the Drop 50 Club.
Okay. Yeah, it's very important because you can't do nothing without your health.
We can't do anything with our health, and a lot of times we can have an impact on our health. There are certain illnesses and diseases that we have no control over, right? And they're just going to happen and be a part of our life. But there are other illnesses, even with your profession that you know of. There are certain things that we can do that can help us prevent us from going through that or reaching or getting those diagnoses, because prior to me starting this journey, I was on high blood pressure medication. I was pre-diabetic. I was about to be on medication for high cholesterol, but all of that has subsided now. I'm no longer on high blood pressure medication. I'm no longer pre-diabetic, and my labs with my cholesterol are all normal now.
Okay. Um, that is wonderful. And so you had your own results and you can help impact the results of other people.
Yeah, for sure. When I started the journey, I was almost 300 pounds.
Wow.
And I could not walk, from one side of my house to the other side without being out of breath. I mean, physically out of breath.
Mhm.
I had aches and pains all the time. My legs and my feet would just randomly swell,
Mhm.
looking like a cantaloupe at times.
Mhm.
it was just time to make a better decision about my health and
Mhm.
move in that direction. So I just want everybody. I want that for everybody.
Okay.
I want us all to be well and do well.
And changing the way we eat is not easy at all, especially if you love food.
And food is delicious, right? And food is still delicious. There is still a greedy girl inside of me. But one of the things that I try to do on a daily basis is think about what I'm going to eat and what I'm going to do physically every single day. I think about it, I plan it out. And that is how I was able to meet those goals, by being persistent about being consistent as far as my plan for my meals and my physical activity.
Okay. Kiosha, if people wanna sign up, is it nationwide or is it local? And like,
It's a nationwide program.
okay.
We have our services include coaching, so that we're an accountability partner, support for you, support for others, and so we provide that coaching virtually or in person. So it's nationwide. Anybody can sign up, whether you want to lose 5 pounds, 50 pounds, or 85 pounds. The Drop 50 Club can help create a plan for your weight loss journey. And so it's for anyone that is looking to improve their health and lose weight. We are on the World Wide Web at drop50club.com. We're also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you are. Drop 50 Club is there. The handle is at Drop 50 Club. And you can sign up on our website. And we also have an ebook that talks about my journey and what I did to meet my weight loss goals. So even if you're not interested in getting the services with the coaching or creating an individualized plan, you can get the ebook and learn about how to, increase your physical health as well and meet your weight loss goals.
Okay. Kiosha, can you talk about the setup a little bit, like how the business is set up?
As far as like if it's an LLC or
Uh,
incorporated, is that what
well,
you mean?
like if people are looking like for community or things like that.
Yes, it is set up for a community. We do have a Facebook community. Thank you so much for asking that question. We have a Facebook community because that is what it is about, right? We all need our support systems, accountability partners, encouragement, motivation. And so there is a community available, actually on the website and on Facebook as well. And it's Drop 50 Club.
Okay. Kiosha, what advice do you have for somebody who might feel hopeless right now?
Tell somebody. That would be the first thing that I would say to someone who is feeling hopeless. Tell somebody. There is someone that wants to help you if you're feeling hopeless about anything, even if it's related to your weight. If you're feeling like there isn't anything you can do about it, tell somebody, and tell somebody who is going to take an interest in helping you as well. And you want that encouragement and that support, because when we start talking about things, then it goes out into the universe, and the universe is set up to give us back what we're talking about. So if you're talking about you're feeling hopeless, about your weight, your health, start talking about it more, and then take the action, right? Move on that to get better and to move towards getting better health for yourself, because what we move towards us. And if you're looking at this today, I can attest to you that what we move towards us. If I would have never just taken that step to start wanting to do better, I would have never reached it. And so I just want to encourage everybody, if you're feeling hopeless about anything, tell somebody, talk to somebody, let multiple people know until you can get the support that you need so that you're no longer feeling hopeless, whether it's about your weight or anything else.
Okay, Kiosha, sounds good. Um, what is one of your favorite books? Can you tell us?
So, one of my favorite books is The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Have you read it?
Yeah.
Yes, I love that book, and I love to read that book in different seasons of our lives, right? And it's all about the law of attraction as well. What I mentioned earlier, as far as what we move towards us, and how we can manifest things. So that's one of my favorite books and one of my most inspirational books. And I go back and read it. I've read it multiple times.
Okay. Um, and could you repeat one more time, where could people find you if they wanna reach out to you?
You can reach out to us at www.drop50club.com. We're also on all social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or whatever. Wherever you are, Drop 50 Club is there as well, and it's at Drop 50 Club. I can be reached via phone at 850-391-0162. That's 850-391-0162. Or email us at info@drop50club.com.
Okay, Kiosha, sounds good. And then the last question, did you have any last words to leave for the audience?
Last words to leave for the audience, I would say, is to pursue you. Pursue yourself. Pursue finding out who you are. Pursue finding out why you love yourself. Pursue finding out how can you best serve others. Because when we pursue ourselves, we're better for ourselves. And when we're better for ourselves, we're better for everyone else around us. Right. And like I said earlier, as a result of this journey, so many other things have gotten better in my life just because I've gotten better.
Mm.
Right. And so I would just advise anyone, if you're wanting to get better at anything outside of yourself, first start with yourself.
Mhm.
And then that will lead you on the way to get better in other areas of your life. So pursue you would be my last words.
Sounds good, Kiosha. Well, thank you for being on the show and sharing your story.
Thank you for having me. I really appreciate it.